Hey guys. Welcome for another story time. Let's dive right in. Zach, I should be driving.
Peter, just chill out. I am already behind the wheel.
I swear, kid, you give me the biggest headache.
Wow. What was that?
Not sure, but we better check it out. Let's turn around. Sounded like it was the other side of town.
You should call it in.
I will when I get a signal. Let's just hurry up.
I got it.
They arrived across town to find something super strange.
Wow. This is a mess.
Sure is. The weirdest thing is that I didn't find the driver.
Oh geez, how is that possible? No human alive could have escaped this.
That's right, but I have to go anyway. This FBI territory. Stay here. Call your backup. I will be back later.
Okay, baby brother. Catch you later. Oh no. This is awful. No one is answering my radio. Is anyone there? Answer me. I am the police. Come out with your hands up.
Hello there. Are you okay?
What are you?
My name is Sophia.
What are you doing here? How many more are there?
Just me and my brother.
There are more? You will come with me.
No. Why are you hurting me? I was not doing anything wrong.
Are you kidding me? Look at this place. You are coming with me. You cannot just come to this planet and destroy everything.
Peter arrested Sophia and they headed downtown.
There has been a mistake. I did not make the mess back there.
Just stop. If it was not you, it was one of your alien buddies. Here we are. I don't want to hear another words from you.
Peter had put Sophia in the holding cell until he and Zach can see what was going on.
You will be here until my brother can come sort this situation out.
Why are you so mean to me? What did you even see me do?
I have said before, it does not matter. You are not even human. You don't belong here.
You are not being fair.
Maybe I am not, but I did see you on the other side of town near to an explosion with no other witnesses. With that in mind, of course I had to take you in. Enjoy your stay.
Peter went to talk to Zach to tell him the crazy news. Wait. Hold on. There is an alien in our holding cell? There is no way.
It is true. What can we do?
Dude, I am so excited. Think, after this we can be famous.
How do you mean?
Everyone from all over the world will pay to come see the alien.
No way. That is wrong. I arrested her because she and her buddies had caused the explosion downtown.
No, Peter. We found out the explosion was caused by some local troublemakers. We already arrested them.
Why did you not tell me?
You already started heading to the station when we got the guys. When you told me you got an alien, I wanted to see for myself.
Oh no! I made a huge mistake.
Come on, Peter. Think about how rich we will be.
No way. I will let her go. That is no way to treat anyone.
Do not start being high and mighty. Were you not the one to arrest her without a reason? Anyway, aliens are part of my jurisdiction. You don't have a say now.
You are right. Nothing to do now.
Peter went to go apologize to Sophia.
Sophia?
Yes. What do you want?
I am so sorry. I found out it was not you. I arrested you out of prejudice. I am so sorry.
Then why don't you let me go?
My brother is responsible for you now. Aliens are under his jurisdiction. There is nothing I can do now.
Sophia told me to meet her back here. Where is she? Sophia? Sophia? Where are you?
Rich. I am still on Earth. Please help me.
Who are you talking to?
None of your business.
Well, okay. Let me get you something to drink. I will be right back. I am so sorry, Sophia.
Richard, please come.
Surprise!
Please keep it down. Thank goodness. Let's go before anyone sees us.
You got it, girly.
Sophia, I just heard a noise. Are you okay? Sophia? Good for you, Sophia. Good for you.
Welcome home, Sophia.
Good to be back. Home sweet home.
Wow, that was quite the show today.
It sure was.
Since the boys are so tired from acting, let's go over words of the day.
Great idea.
Alien.
Police.
Apologize.
Prejudice.
Explosion.
Good job, everyone.
Yes, very good, but we have to go now. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe for more.